We're at the mic for the first band tonight. No one knows who we are yet. We want to come out and say hey to you guys. And that's hold up.
You guys want some pizza?
Oh man, that looks really good. Where's our
plate? You gotta buy it. Oh yeah.
Is it cool for you guys if we play a song real quick? Is that alright?
Yeah.
We're not doing it tonight, so we like it, so we want to come out here and do it for you.
Ready, set, and go. Just take 37, let it roll. I'm gonna get it right this time. Fight this time. This time I'm for real. Let me go. I'm off flying straight as an arrow. Then I feel the wind blow. Gravity sets in. I don't know how to deal. I always start so strong. Before you even know it, I'm back at the start. I'm doing what I hate, breaking my own heart. Going back and forth and forth and back and around in circles. I was never meant to travel on my own. So no matter what I try, if I'm trying alone, I'm going back and forth and forth and back and around in circles. Around in circles. I'm going back and forth and back and around in circles. Yes, but I know direction goes out the window. The second that I hear your word, I forget what I heard. Go on just the same. Go on just the same. Beautiful part. It doesn't have to be this hard. I'm just deceiving myself. I know I need your help. Something's gotta change. I know I need a change because before you even know it, I'm right back at the start. I'm doing what I hate and breaking my own heart. Going back and forth and back and then around in circles. I was never meant to travel on